Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to cancel YouTube Premium free trial on your iPhone or just mobile device. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now once you are on YouTube, you want to go ahead and click on the right corner where it says You on your profile icon. After that, you will be redirected to this page where it's your profile. At the top, you will see gear icon. So you want to click on the gear icon right there. And now you will see an account, purchases, and memberships. You want to click on that. And right there, you will see your YouTube Premium trial or your membership, which is active. And to cancel it, all you have to do is click on it. Click cancel, and that's pretty much it. After that, your YouTube Premium was cancelled. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.